Hi, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to use Hoopla through City of Ryde Libraries. This is aimed at first-time users, and for this example we'll be using an iPad. Click on the Hoopla app to open it. On the landing page, select the Sign Up option. You'll be asked to provide an email address and create a new password. Next, you will choose your library, search for City of Ryde Libraries and select. To continue, please read and consent to the terms and conditions of this service. You will then need to enter your City of Ryde library card number and library PIN or password. Congratulations, you're in! Your library allows you to borrow up to 6 instant titles each month. Here is the home screen where you can see your Hoopla recommendations. Hoopla allows for you to instantly borrow and there are no reserves. The Borrowed tab shows your current loan. You can also add items to favorites by clicking the love heart on an item, which you can then view in this tab. One of the key features of Hoopla is Kids Mode. With content catered for children, this is perfect for them to browse with an adult and find their next read. Located at the bottom of your screen is the menu bar with options for your Hoopla, video, music, books, and search. To browse each collection, press the respective icons. Hoopla offers a variety of streaming content. You can instantly borrow a movie or an episode of a show you like. You can further sort these options by collection or genre. You also have access to a comprehensive library of music, ranging from classics to contemporary tunes. A collection is not complete without books. Here you can see all the latest and featured book titles. With collections curated for all interests, you can listen to an audiobook on the go, find your next favourite ebook, standalone read or series, or discover the world of indie superheroes, or go classic with DC and Marvel in our comic sections. Let's do an example and search for an ebook. I love classics, so I want to reread Pride and Prejudice. Browse through the results to find the best title. I think I'll choose this one, so I select, borrow, and confirm. Now you can see the title on my Hoopla. To return an item, go into the item information page, press return, and confirm. All items are returned automatically at the due date and will not accrue fines. That's it! We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact us via phone or email. Thank you for watching and happy borrowing!